You are watching Climate Samurai. And this is electric vehicle headlines. Arrival electric van startup reportedly planning more microfactories this year. British electric van and bus startup Arrival Ltd will announce investments in more microfactories throughout 2021 as it expands its global manufacturing presence, said Mike Abelson, head of Arrival's North American operations, speaking to Reuters. 80% willing to purchase an electric vehicle at price parity, says Lithium survey. Lithium Urban Technologies has conducted a survey involving more than 3,500 corporate. The survey, titled "The Evolving Mindset of the Corporate Community," has revealed that overall there is an increasing preference for electric vehicles, especially amongst the younger generations, with close to 80% of respondents having shown willingness to purchase an electric vehicle, with higher preference being from the male respondents. Cognizant acquires ESG Mobility to expand automotive engineering expertise. Cognizant JAS announced the acquisition of Munich, Germany-based ESG Mobility, a digital automotive engineering R&D provider for connected, autonomous, and electric vehicles. On completion of the acquisition, nearly 1,000 engineering R&D specialists will join Cognizant in the automotive innovation hubs of Germany, the US, and China, the IT company said in a statement. Sun Mobility partners with Tata Power to set up network of battery swap points for EVs. Tata Power Delhi Distribution Ltd has announced its partnership with Sun Mobility to set up a network of battery swap points across North and Northwest Delhi. Sun Mobility with TPDDL and Government of NCT of Delhi launched the first swap point with 2 quick interchange stations to serve the growing demand of EVs in the Azadpur area. WordWizard aims to achieve 25% of overall EV market in India. WordWizard Innovations and Mobility Limited, the first ever company listed on BSE under the electric vehicle category, aims to achieve 25% of the overall EV vehicle market in India. With a market capitalization of more than 1,800 Indian rupees crores, WordWizard envisions the dawn of a new era for the Indian economy. Mercedes-Benz starts production of battery systems for EQS electric luxury sedan. Mercedes-Benz has announced that it has started production of batteries for its all-electric luxury sedan EQS at the Stuttgart-Hedelfingen plant in Germany, ahead of its world premiere on April 15. Geliose Mobility and IIT Delhi incubated startup's electric scooter has running cost of 20 paise per km. Geliose Mobility and IIT Delhi incubated startup has launched an electric scooter named HOPE. The running cost of this scooter is only 20 paise per kilometer. It gives a top speed of 25 kilometers. Along with this, it also falls in the discount category available for the e-vehicles and does not require a driving license or registration for driving. Nissan to stay in Formula E until the end of 2026. The all-electric championship's only Japanese manufacturer Nissan has announced that it will stay in Formula E until at least the end of 2026. Formula E is due to introduce its next generation of more powerful and faster cars for its 9th season starting in 2022 to 23. Huawei gearing up to launch electric car worth $46,000. Chinese tech giant Huawei is working to launch new product worth 300,000 yuan, $46,000. A Weibo blogger revealed the price and stated that Huawei is working on launching a product which can be the company's first electric car. Jaguar's first electric car in India, I-Pace, to cost double a Tesla. Jaguar Land Rover unveiled its all-electric SUV I-Pace in India, but its price is twice that of an entry-level Tesla cars, which will put it out of reach of most consumers in the South Asian nation. The I-Pace starting price is $147,000, which compares to an estimated cost of around $68,000 for a Model 3 after export expenses. That's going to be a tough sell considering that in India, about 75% of all auto sales occur in the $10,000 and under bracket.
That's all for this week. Have a great day. Visit www.climatesamurai.com for all the updates. Please like, share and subscribe.